AlphaKey Club would like to welcome you to a special premiere reading of Alphee and Leo in Days of the Week, written by ShalomIsrael D and illustrated by ShalomIsrael D and Millie Max. Enjoy! Today is Monday.
Leo, it's time to wake up.
Mom called. Leo opened his eyes and looked out the window. It was raining very hard.
Oh no, it's raining hard outside,
said Leo. He felt sad because it was too wet to play outside. Leo turned to his stuffed elephant, Alphee, and said,
I will just play inside with you, Alphee.
He played for 1 hour, but was having so much fun he played until dinner. Soon, Leo forgot all about the rain outside. It was a good rainy Monday. Today is Tuesday.
Leo, it's time to wake up.
Dad called. Leo opened his eyes and looked out the window. He saw a clear blue sky with a few clouds. The rain was gone.
Today, I'm going to ask Ola if she wants to play,
Leo said to Alphee. After breakfast, Leo walked next door to Ola's house.
Hey Ola, do you want to hunt cloud animals with me?
Leo asked.
Sure,
said Ola. Leo and Ola laid in the grass with Alphee and stared up at the sky. They found 2 cloud animals. Leo saw a duck and Ola saw a mouse. It was a great sunny Tuesday. Today is Wednesday.
Leo, it's time to wake up,
Mom called. Leo opened his eyes and looked out the window. He could tell it was chilly outside, yet it was bright and sunny.
Yay! It's warm enough to go to the park with Ola,
Leo said to Alphee. After breakfast, Leo walked to Ola's house next door. Then they skipped to the park. Ola wanted to climb a tree. Leo and Ola climbed 3 trees. Leo climbed a tree with red leaves. Ola climbed a tree with yellow leaves, and together they climbed a tree with green leaves. They had fun climbing trees in the park. It was a great chilly Wednesday. Today is Thursday.
It's time to wake up, Leo,
Dad called. Leo opened his eyes and looked out the window. It was snowing.
Wow,
Leo said with excitement.
Today I'm gonna go outside to build a snowman.
Leo could not wait to get outside. After breakfast, Leo put on his snow boots, coat, hat, and mittens, and ran outside. As he began to build his first snowman, Ola came outside.
Can I help you build a snowman, Leo?
She asked.
Yes,
replied Leo. Together, Leo and Ola made 4 snowmen. It was a great Thursday. Today is Friday.
Leo, it's time to wake up,
Mom called. Leo opened his eyes and looked out the window. The sun was shining through the rain. It was a sun shower.
What will I do today?
Leo said to Alphee. Leo decided he would pick 5 pretty flowers for his dad from the park. Ola helped Leo pick his flowers and took some home for her dad too. Alphee had fun. It was a great Friday. Today is Saturday.
Leo, it's time to wake up,
Dad called. Leo opened his eyes and looked out the window. It was lightly raining and the clouds were clearing away.
It looks like it will stop raining soon,
Leo said to Alphee.
I will see if Ola wants to play today.
Leo stepped outside.
The rain stopped.
Leo skipped to Ola's house and knocked on the door. When Ola answered the door, she gasped.
Leo, look!
Leo turned around and saw the most beautiful rainbow he had ever seen. Together, Leo and Ola counted 6 bright colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It was a great, colorful Saturday. Today is Sunday.
Leo, wake up.
Mom called. Leo opened his eyes and looked out the window. It was sunny with a clear blue sky.
Oh boy! Today there will be fireworks at the beach,
said Leo. Leo's and Ola's family packed up and headed for the beach. They sat on the beach in their favorite spot under the red lifeguard chair. When night came, the fireworks started with a loud pop, crack. Leo and Ola counted not 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5, not even 6, but 7 bright, beautiful fireworks. Leo looked at Alphee and Ola and realized he had a great Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. He had a great week. The end. Now, let's continue our learning. Alphee created several activities for you to continue learning at home, all inspired from the book. Work with a grown-up or a teacher to complete as many as you like. Have fun!